Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're gonna check out downstairs what they're doing. So this is our dirty kitchen downstairs, guys. So this is where my mama and my sister stay all the time. This is their room here. So let's see what he's doing there at the back. So that's one of my brother. He's been digging a hole for the septic tank, and we have a good news over here downstairs. One of my brother-in-law, he's been helping us to renovate here downstairs. So he's the fiance of my sister. So he gonna help us to renovate here so that it looks nicer downstairs. So as you know that we are been renovating our house. It's been a year now since we renovate our house, but over here downstairs, all we put is just over here, as you can see, a new roof, and we replace some of the hardy flakes here, but we can't do the whole renovation here downstairs, as you can see. So we need to do more work here. So it's so nice that our brother-in-law is going to help us to renovate the kitchen here, and also the room of my sister Dominga and my mama. So I really do appreciate it for helping us, especially for my mama and my sister, because they be very comfortable. So we're gonna extend the room, make it bigger, because as you know that we've been buying a small property beside here, so we can extend the room. It be more bigger. So and also the kitchen, we're gonna make it more nicer also, and we're gonna put some nice sink. Hopefully we can find a affordable one, and we're gonna do some tiles here. And my mama and my sisters are very excited, so I really do appreciate my brother-in-law for doing this, for helping us, especially for my mama and sisters, and they are very excited. Okay, mama, what are you doing, mama? Ngaon ta? He said, let's eat lunch. So she have, look, ako lagi kag munggus nga. She's been eating some corn and mungo soup. And my sisters is over here at the back. my sexy sister. So this is the room, guys. Ana pud hi oy. Tan-aw na si imong puan, imong uya mo tan-aw ani. So this is where they sleep. So it's just a small room for them. So we really plan this year, we're going to renovate here downstairs, and it's sad that it not happened because we have that chicken coop, and the chicken is being the budget of this room, they've been taking out from the chicken, especially when we build the chicken coop and buying some chickens. So you know, our budget is really limited and we can't do it all together. So I'm so thankful and blessed that there's it's a part of our family. He's a part of our family too, that he's been going to help us here to renovate the kitchen and also the rooms. And also, guys, we're gonna do a bathroom here. We're gonna have some bathroom here downstairs, so that my mama and my sister will be very more comfortable instead of going upstairs they're gonna have their own bathroom here. And that's why one of my friend, the brother of my friend, he's been digging a hole there at the back. That's for the septic tank. And we're gonna put the bathroom where I stand. So it'd be nice. And they are very excited for that. Because sometimes my mama and my sister, they've been embarrassed to go downstairs to use the bathroom. So now, hopefully, they have their own bathroom. So, I really do appreciate all the helps, guys. And, look at that at the back. So, this is normally they eat their dinner, their breakfast. This is where they eat. So, we're gonna close this all here at the back. And there's more privacy for them. And we're gonna close here. And also the kitchen, we make it more nicer. And we're gonna put extension roof here, over here, so that they can have some small terrace for them. And especially if they have some visitors, they can hang out here outside with the roof. And so we are really excited because
inaable mo ng babaw.
It's been long time that we not put some CR here or bathroom. So they are very excited for that. So hopefully it will be finished soon, and in a few days, maybe tomorrow, we're gonna buy some of the materials and we're gonna look there in the City Hardware. And also we're planning buy some cement tomorrow and also the hollow blocks. So hopefully guys, everything's gonna be okay and it will be finished soon, because they cannot wait to be finished, especially here in the kitchens where they normally cook. So hopefully everything turns good here. And I really do appreciate also one of our subscriber here in YouTube that he's been helping us buying some goodies for the kids. I really do appreciate Sir Nick for your generosity, and we try our best to give it to the kids, and we're gonna buy some treats for the kids so they'll be very happy. Thank you so much, Sir Nick, for your generosity. We really do appreciate it. And we are so excited to give it to the kids, especially the kids here in our community. They've not been eating goods like a good food, so we try our best. Hopefully that we are able to share, even though little, but they be very happy. So we're gonna give them some treats, maybe around Christmas. So hopefully everything turns good here. So thank you so much guys for all the support and for all the generosity. We really do appreciate it, and for all the nice comment in my YouTube channel. We really do appreciate it all guys. So I apologize that I'm not been able to do video all the time because I've been busy of making some mango float, some cakes. I have some order a cake next day. So I've been a lot of orders of the mango float also, so I just been busy. And some desserts that I make, the neighbor here loves my desserts, especially my mama and my sister. They loves my mango float. So maybe on my next video I'm gonna show all of you what I'm doing, the desserts that I make. So I really do appreciate all of you guys for watching my videos, and for the love and support, and for all the nice comments. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you on my next video.